Coleg Llandrillo, a bit of a mix of tunes. We've got a pop song rearranged as a hard rock song, a trip-hop cover, and a faithful recreation of an indie rock song. So please give it up for Cavalo.
Hi guys. Hi. Na 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 na, Roma, mama, gaga, ooh la la, want your bad romance. Ooh mama, gaga, ooh la la, want your bad romance. I want your ugly, I want your disease. I want your everything as long as it's free. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. I want the drama, the touch of your hand. I want your leather studded kiss in the sound. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you. I want a bad romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. I want your love and all your love is revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. Call it a bad romance. Call it a bad romance. Want your bad romance. Want your bad romance. I want your mother, I want your desire. 'Cause you're a criminal as long as you're mine. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. I want your psycho, your vertigo stick. Want you in Myron when your baby is sick. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. You know that I want you, and you know that I need you. I want it bad, bad romance. I want your love and I want your revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. I want your love and all your love is revenge. You and me could write a bad romance. so tired, playing with this bow and arrow, gonna give my heart away, leave it for the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long. Just give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be woman. I just wanna be a woman. From this time unchained, we're all looking at a different picture through this new frame of mind. 1,000 flowers could bloom. Move over and give it some room. Just give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to be. Give me a woman. Just wanna be a woman. Said I've got nothing to do, and neither do you. There's a place down the road where we can waste a whole afternoon. I overheard that she was 19, got a fake ID and a nose ring. Well, those kind of girls tend to know things better than I do. And I'm dying to figure out what she's hiding. She's playing it cool, but she's lying better than I do. I've been Sienna, and this is Ruben on lead. Thank you for listening. Very happy to be here. I hope you had fun.